Hello, Kennewill Hills parents. My name is Chris Bookey, and I'm going to be taking you through how to log into your parent portal in Canvas and how to create your account. So this process, you should have received an email from me that had a bunch of information in it, including an attachment down here. I will be talking you through how to log in on a computer going into Canvas, but there is also some information at the end of this that I will talk about how to get the app and how to run that process, or at least how to get the info for that. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into the parent link for Canvas. It's in the email right here, but also I want to show you how you can always access it just in case you don't have this link on hand. If you go to our Kennewill Hills website, so khps.org, and you go in here, once this loads, if you click here in Canvas, there is a student login, which is where the kids go, and then here's a parent login. So if you click on this, it will take you to the Canvas portal, which is the same web address that I put in the email. If you'll notice, there's a login and a password. The first time you're in here, though, do not use this, okay? You're going to go here. This is for creating an account. All right, so you click on that, and then this information is going to come up, or these questions are going to come up. So, of course, you're going to put in your name, put in your email, a password, re-enter the password, and then you're going to need to enter a student pairing code. I have generated an email that has the code down here. This should say your child's name, and then there should be a code here. All right, that will give you access to the parent portal. Please note it does expire in 7 days. So if you're doing this past the 7-day mark, just send me an email and I can reactivate a different code and send that to you. But this is the parent portal code right here. So it'll be a special code, not that, obviously. And then when you're in your Canvas page, you'll put that code in here, and then your terms of agreement, terms of use, make sure you read through that, and then click your agree, and then you'll click on start participating, and then that will give you access to the Canvas page. It'll show all of your child's Canvas courses that they have. Also, please note that once you have done this, then every time you get in, you will go to login and password. You'll put in your email, you'll put in the password that you created, and then click on login. If you want to stay signed in, you can do that. But if you're not on a machine that is safe for that, then you choose. Also, if you forget your password, you can click right here, and that will regenerate a new password for you. All right, so that is the basics of how to sign up for a parent Canvas page. I want to show you one more thing. So I did attach a parent information PDF for logging into Canvas. That PDF, when you click on the link, it looks like this. It does have some links built into it, which is some of the same information that I talked about. If you're going to use the app instead, if you want to use this on a smartphone, and they do have it for both Android and Apple, if you click on this link, it will give you information on how to go through the Canvas parent app. It'll show you shot by shot how you're logging in and putting all the information, of course, school name and all of that stuff. So that's how you do it through the app on your phone. And then please note, if you do have additional children, you'll want to click on this link on that PDF, and that will give you info. And then a nice little tips section, and there are links to different features that are on Canvas. Hopefully that helps you out with all of that stuff. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for your time.